Oh, okay. Turn it into nuggies. No! I'm not gonna eat Dora! Is that a rare Dora? Wait. Why is that Dora different? Wait, how do I put you? Okay, Dora, we're gonna go... Wait. I want the red Dora, wait. I'm just here punching it. Dora's already event color. Oh, okay. Okay, it's still alive, right? It's still alive, right? Right. It's still alive. Did I kill it? No, right? DMJ Jr. Come in now, DMJ Jr. I wanted to present you as a gift and I was gonna name it DMJ Jr. So what do I do if it's dead? Do I just take its meat? Okay, I'm just gonna take your meat then if you're dead. I need meat anyway. Come in. I'll just take back the berries.